Okay, Khalid, are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. You remember we studied the 5 pillars of Islam. Can you tell me what are the 5 pillars of Islam? Number 1 is,
So you're gonna have to say the Shahada.
yeah, which is to say what? Ashhadu.
What أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله.
Excellent. Okay. Number 2, the second pillar.
You have to pray 5 times a day, which is going to be Salah.
Yeah. Number 3.
So this is gonna be Zakah. So you're gonna give to the needy.
Yeah, the obligatory charge is zakat. Number 4.
You're gonna be fasting in the month of Ramadan.
Yeah, so it's called Siyam.
So yeah,
Fasting the month of Ramadan. And the last one is
it's going to Hajj if you have the money.
not only the money, also the ability. Okay, the ability in the money and in your body. So Hajj is obligatory in those who afford it. Okay. Excellent, very good. Okay, let's go to another question. Okay, when you sneeze, Khalid, what to say after sneezing?
So first you're gonna say Alhamdulillah. The other person is going to say only Yarhamkallah, and then you're gonna have to say the rest, which is Yahdikumullah wa yaslah balikum.
وَيُصْلِحْ بالك. Okay, so the one who sneezed, say Alhamdulillah. The one beside him say يرحمك الله. And then he say يهديكم الله ويصلح بالك. Okay. Okay, Khalid. When you are about to start prayer, there is azan and iqama. We memorized both of them before. Okay, the azan, when the time of the prayer comes, we do the azan to tell people that it's time to pray. And when we gather together and we're going to start praying right now, there is iqama. Okay, can you do the iqama?
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna
There is no
Muhammadan.
wow. Ashhadu.
أشهد أن محمد رسول الله. هيا على الصلاة هيا على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Excellent, mashallah. Okay, Khalid. Also, before we start prayer, we have to make wudu. Yeah, wudu before prayer. Okay, can you tell me how to make wudu? How to perform wudu?
So
What is the first step? First,
so
the first step, first you make the intention in your heart and you say Bismillah and so on. Okay, so what's the first thing you do after that?
So you're gonna start washing hands like this, pouring water on this. You're gonna do it to both hands 3 times, okay?
Okay, next.
Then you're gonna put water in your mouth, and then you're gonna spit it 3 times.
Excellent.
You're gonna also put water in your nose, and then you have to blow it gently. And then you wash your face 3 times up to the ears.
Yeah, and from here to here, and from here to here, right? Okay.
And then you wash your arms like this 3 times only up till here.
Okay, so you
Both
start with the
arms
right
equal.
hand, then the
To
left.
the left.
Okay. The right arm, we are doing the whole arm now. First, we start with the hand. Now the whole arm. Okay? So
Okay.
the right arm first, then the left one. Okay. What's next?
So then you're gonna do this only once. And
To
then you're
wipe
gonna
your hair.
wipe your hair.
Okay.
Then you're gonna wash your ears like this only once. Also, you're gonna have to do this before you wash your ears. And then you have to wash your feet and legs, both of them 3 times. First with the right, and going to the left and cleaning the left one.
Excellent. Very good, mashallah. Very good. Excellent.